Hello everyone. Today we will review and continue learning about arithmetic operations with whole numbers. Who can recall what we studied last week?
We learned about addition and multiplication.
Correct. And what properties do these operations have?
They follow the commutative property, associative property, and distributive property for multiplications over additions.
Excellent. Today we will explore two more operations, subtraction and division.
That sounds interesting.
Let's start by learning some new vocabulary to better understand the lesson. Subtraction, subtraction,
Subtraction,
division, division,
Division,
minuend, minuend,
minuend,
subtrahend, subtrahend,
subtrahend,
difference, difference,
difference,
dividend, dividend,
dividend,
divisor, divisor,
divisor,
quotient, quotient.
quotient.
Who can explain what subtraction is?
Subtraction is an operation that helps us determine the differences between two numbers.
Exactly. Subtraction allows us to find out how much more one number is than another and how much remains after taking away a part. Is it written as A minus B equal to C? In this equation, A is the minuend, the initial number. B is the subtrahend, the number being taken away. And C is the difference, the result of the subtraction. So, now identify the minuend, subtrahend, and difference in this equation. 15 minus 7 equal to 8.
So, in this subtraction problem, 15 is the minuend, 7 is the subtrahend, and 8 is the difference, right?
Absolutely correct. Well done, Apple. Let's solve the problems and identify the minuend, subtrahend, and difference in each equation. 24 minus 9 equal to question mark, and 36 minus 2, 18 equal to question mark.
Teacher, I have the answers. 24 minus 9 equals 15. Minimum 24, subtrahend 9, differences 15. 36 minus 18 equals 18. Minimum 36, subtrahend 18, differences 18.
Great job! You all understand subtraction well. But here is an interesting question. What happens if we swap the minuend and subtrahend?
It won't be the same. For example, 15 minus 7 equals 8, but 7 minus 15 is not valid in whole numbers.
Excellent, that's right. Subtraction is not commutative, meaning changing the order of the numbers gives the different result. Now, we are going to learn about a very important mathematical operation. Who can tell me what division is?
Division helps us split a number into equal parts.
Exactly. When we have a certain quantity and want to distribute it evenly into equal parts, we use division. The equation is written as A divided by B equal to C. In this equation, A is a dividend, the total amount to be divided. B is the divisor, the number of groups. C is the quotient, the result of the division. And D is the remainder, the leftover value, if the division isn't exact. I have a question. For example, if we have 12 candies and want to share them equally among 4 people, how many candies will each person get?
Each person will get 3 candies.
Correct. Now, if we have 13 candies and still want to divide them among 4 people,
Each person will get 3 candies, but there will be 1 leftover candy.
very good. When the dividend Đọc lại. Very good. When the dividend is not completely divisible by the divisor, we have the division with a remainder. Let's practice together. Who can solve these 2 division problems?
Teacher, I have the answers. 24 divided by 6 equal 4. 35 divided by 4 equal 8. Remainder 3.
Excellent. Now, I will teach you how to check whether a number is divisible by another number without actually performing the division.